Hi, I'm Lynn Willis of Spot Bear Designs, and this video is going to show you how to decrease when you're working with the knot stitch. You'll be using this decrease to create the crown in the alternate hat pattern. Here I have 10 knot stitches. I've turned my work and I'm going to decrease 1 stitch on the next row. So I will chain for height, and then I'm going to work 4 knot stitches. So single crochet 2 together, and then for the knot stitch we overlap the single crochet 2 together. So I go back into the same stitch I've already worked, pull up a loop, next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through. Again, overlapping. This is my 3rd knot stitch, and then working my 4th knot stitch. At this point, I'm going to work the decrease. And all you have to do to work a decrease in knot stitch is to skip that overlap. So for my next knot stitch, instead of working here back where I was in the last stitch, I'm going to go forward, work into the next stitch, pull up a loop, work into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through. And then I'm going to work to the end of the row with knot stitches. And then at the end of the row of the knot stitch, like we always do, we have a single crochet, and I'm going to turn the work. We can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stitches. So we've decreased 1 stitch. I'll show that decrease one more time, but remember, all you have to do is skip doing the overlap when you're decreasing. So I'm going to chain for height. I'm going to work 3 knot stitches. So that's 1, and here we are overlapping. That's 2. And then I'm going to work a 3rd knot stitch. And now I'm going to do my decrease. So instead of starting the stitch here in the last stitch I worked, I'm going to start it in the next stitch, pull up a loop, move into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through, and then just working the knot stitches to the end as per usual. Our single crochet at the end, and you can see here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stitches. So we've decreased 1 more stitch. That's all there is to it. I wish you good luck, have fun making the alternate hat,